It is given that a layer of glycerin of thickness 1 millimeter is present between a large surface area and a surface area 1 centimeter of 0.1 meter square. With what force a small surface is to be pulled so that it can move with a velocity of 1 meter per second, given that the value of coefficient of viscosity. So we are considering that there is a plate which will be able to move with a constant velocity. If you are exerting a force, that means the force exerted on this plate by the fluid will be equal to the force that we are exerting externally, so that net force will be equal to 0 and it will be able to move with a constant velocity. And we can just consider that the equation for viscous force, which is equal to eta into A into dV divided by dx. The value of eta is given as in this question, it is given that 0.01 and 0.7 in SI system, and area is given as nothing but 0.1, and dv means difference in velocity. If this layer which is in contact with this moving with a speed of 1 meter per second, because this object is going to move with a velocity of 1 meter per second, then the layer of liquid over here will be at rest. So the difference in velocity between these two layers is 1 divided by the value of difference in distance is the thickness of glycerin which is in between them, which is given as 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter means we can take it as 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. So I'll get the answer is equal to nothing but 7 Newton.